this weird fucking shit, bro.
This is our elevator,
Accidentally bird
and
dog.
then you can do.
Wow, wow. Nah, that's complete BS. Hold on, that's complete BS. Give me one. That's bull. That's just Esau being right. Psalm 64 and 6. They search out iniquities. They accomplish a diligent search, both inwardly, both the inward thought of every one of them, and the heart is deep. Look at this. Look at this.
We came with this idea that we can use and re-engineer birds and dead birds and make them as a drone. And the only thing that we need to provide them to make them alive is to basically design an actuation mechanism, put it in their body, and everything is there. So we do reverse engineering. We'll calculate what has been the weight of the bird, what it was alive, what has been its flapping frequency, what flapping angle they have flapped, and just create something similar.
Aircraft, applying certain color can change the flight efficiency. And the same is true for birds, we believe. And we're now doing studies specifically on flapping wing drones to study how the coloration of bird wings and how the color patterns affect the potential flight efficiency.
It's basically if you learn how these birds they manage the energy between themselves, we can apply them into the future aviation industry to save more energy and save more fuel, and we can
You're gonna implement birds to save fuel on aviation? What? No way. No, no, no. You're using this in order to track those who won't be on your grid, in order to look out into the wilderness to see those who aren't gonna be a part of this retarded ass system that y'all got going on. Right? Genesis 6 and 5. And Yahweh saw that the wickedness of man was great in the earth. And that's wickedness. Creating fake birds to monitor your area, to monitor the people. And of course you're lying, because that's all y'all do. Talking about it's for aviation. That's complete bullshit. And that every imagination of the thoughts of his heart was only evil continually. So don't look at these people like, oh, they're making such a they're doing such good work. No, of course it's for wickedness. Of course it's for wickedness. They ain't doing nothing for good. Nothing. They don't do nothing for good. There's always some underlying evil reason for what they do. Right? Proverbs 12 and 20. Deceit is in the heart of them that imagine evil, but to counselors of peace of joy. And they're not counselors, man. They're damn devils. They're devils. To sit there and come up with a way to disguise your surveillance for those who don't want to be surveyed by you. They're trying to cut off all avenues. Hell, there's going to be a point where your ass ain't even going to be able to run into a fucking cave because they're going to have fake animals in the damn cave monitoring you. You won't be able to run nowhere. Ecclesiastes 8 and 11. Because the sentence against an evil work is not executed speedily. Therefore, the heart of the sons of men is fully set in them to do evil. Fully set. So don't think for a second that any of these excuses that they're given for this wicked shit that they're doing is true. Of course it's not. There's always an underlying agenda, and it's always evil. They want to control you. Man, they want to control you. Barakte Hawa Bashim Yahweh Kal Halayim La Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Bashim Rakak Wadash. Give a double honors to the men and the apostles of Great Millstone who I learn from daily, who teach in truth and sincerity. Man, stay circumspect out here, man. Keep watching. Because they're always coming up with something. Always coming up with something.
More economics in the future in aviation industry.
Not only that, but they're using dead. You're not even going to be able to eat these motherfuckers. Look at that. They know they're going to cut off people out of the society, and they're going to have to rely on wildlife. So they're trying to replace the real birds with fake birds so that one, you ain't got nothing to eat, and two, they can track you wherever you go. You fuckers are evil, you damn devils. But anyway, shalom.